I want to talk to y'all about one of the easiest side hustles that I've come across with that all you have to do is write. Here's 5 different companies. This is Global Poker, Chumba, Steak, Pulse Bingo, High Five. I just started High Five today, and I started Global Poker yesterday, and I even recorded a video so you guys can see how to start the process. So let me show you on my other phone. Show you guys how to sign up for an account. I'm gonna do it with Global Poker, and then start the process to show you how long it takes me to receive my payment and how to cash out and things like that from that account. But yeah, so just for this, yeah. So just to explain, for those who are new to this, you get $5 every envelope and index card you write out and put together and mail off with a stamp. It takes about 79 cents per envelope that you mail out. That's roughly how much it costs, so that you know that there is a cost to start. And it does take 6 to 9 weeks to receive payment. So, you know, if you don't want time, you don't want to wait, that's up to you. Particular company, it offers $3 per envelope, while all these do 5. And you do have to play for this one, this one, and this one, this one to cash out. This one, you have to transfer it to your wallet for Bitcoin. So if you don't have one, you can create one and transfer it out with that. If you don't want to play, you can just do it that way. And they also have bank wire as well, but I'm not sure. It just hasn't been working lately with the bank wire, so just Bitcoin wallets.